Walter, do you know if Gary and Darren wanted me to bring anything to the barbecue?
Shit, I don't know, baby.
Well, I feel like I should bring something though. Maybe some egg salad or maybe a watermelon.
Ah! Not watermelon!
Walter, what's wrong with you? Come back here, baby. Why is he afraid of watermelon?
I am allergic to them fucking watermelons.
Oh my god. I am so sorry, Walter. I didn't know that you're allergic to watermelon. I guess I just bring egg salad then.
It's okay, sexy. You didn't know.
Well, Gary, you were right. That was some high-powered anal sex.
I know, thanks. Stop ringing my frickin' buzzer and come in, damn it. Oh great, what the fuck are you doing here?
I'm here for the fucking barbecue. You fat piece of shit.
Did you invite this bitch to my barbecue?
Yes, I did. And I know that you two don't get along at all. In fact, you hate each other. But I think the do-over can put your differences aside for one evening.
Well, I don't like this, but I will try to get along with Sasha for tonight. But you owe me big, so I think we should have another shower together after the party.
Oh my god, that's disgusting.
Hey John, the first need to buy 100 sides of pickles please. I'm making a pickle casserole for Gary and Darren's barbecue tonight.
Well, I'm sorry, Big Chuck, but I just can't do that, you see. We are all out of pickles.
What, you are all out pickles too? No, when will this nightmare of day end?
Damn, man. You don't have to cry like a little bitch. They're only pickles.
I know, but I love pickles. I put them on almost everything. I have had a fetish for ever since I was a child.
Excuse me there, sir, but I couldn't help but overhearing that are in the need of some pickles.
Yes, I am Farmer Tom. I am in need of some pickles.
Well then come to the farm with me and sell you a jar of my homegrown pickles. And I guarantee you will never pickles, quite as big or juicy as my pickles.
Yes, bless you Farmer Tom, you have saved the barbecue. The pickle casserole shall not go uncooked.
Holy fucking orangutan shit. He must really like pickles.